Friends, welcome to Dano Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our second point. Use division algorithm to show that any positive odd integer, they are telling that odd integer, we need to stress on this point. Odd integer is the form of 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5, where q is some integer. So here they are given that q is integer. So odd integer in the format of, let's take odd integer, maybe let odd integer will be equal to a, and this is in the format of 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, like that. Let's take here what they are given: 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. So here we need to write what is the division algorithm, that is dividend will be equal to divisor, that is let's take p of x will be equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. So here remainder is there, quotient is there, like this we need to take. Then what is the remainder value here? There 6q plus 1. So it is in the already format of, let's take some a integer will be equal to 6 into q plus 1, 6q plus 1, that will be equal to, that is also a is equals to 6q plus 3, then a is equals to 6q plus 5. So we have taken that this 666 is a common everywhere. So this is one, what is this? Divisor. So what is this called? Divisor. Quotient and remainder is varying. So for this, what you can take? So you can take the remainder is always less than or equal to less than 2. Remainder is always greater than 0 and or equal to 6. Divisor. So remainder is always less than 2 divisor. That condition we are already known. So for that, remainders values will be, the remainder may be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all. Up to remainders will be, this is the case. Now you can write it in the format of, now by using division algorithm, division lemma, this is the case. Now we will write the actual integers. The integers may be, so integers will be equal to 6q plus 0, that is 6q, 6q plus 1, 6q plus 2. So here reminders we are already found it, up to how many are there? 6q plus 4, 6q plus 5, then 6q plus 5, up to there only. So 6q plus 6, you can continue. But up to how many digits they are given? So from here to 6q plus 5 only they are given. In the question I am telling about 6q plus 5 up to here. So this is the case. Now what is the case here is 6q plus 2. So since what you can say here 6q and 6q plus 2, all these values are. So let's take here 6q plus 1, then 6q plus 2, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 4, then 6q plus 5. Since 6q plus 2, 6q plus 4, these are all is even numbers. These are all you can take it as 6q plus 2, 6q plus 4, these are all even numbers. Even that 2 divisible by 3, divisible by 2, divisible by all digits, all are divisible by 2. That means this is not odd numbers. So for that, what you can write, the case here is 6q plus 1. So these are all odd divisible by. So that is 6q plus 1 and 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. So what you can write? So these are all the odd integers. Odd integers. Why? Because since 6 is divisible by 2 and plus 2 plus 4 adding means that is also divisible by 2. So what you can say, a will be equal to 6q plus 1. Again 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5. These are all odd integers. Why? Because these are all not included in the even. So for this, these are, we can express that 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 3. These are by using of Euclid division lemma. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. So here they are asking us use division algorithm to show the square of any positive integer is of the form 3p and 3p plus 1 and 3p plus 2 or anything. So they are asking this one. So let's take first one is what is division algorithm? The dividend will be equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Quotient plus remainder. So this is the case. So let's take divisor. Dividend will be equal to, let's take p of x. This is g of x into q of x plus r of x. So they are telling that square of any positive integer in the format of 3p and 3p plus 1. For that we need to take, thus they are given that square numbers is in the format of, let's consider p of x will be equal to some a. That will be equal to 3m plus 0 and 3m plus 1, 3m plus 2, 3m plus 3, like that we will go. So here q of x, that is quotient, will be equal to m. Quotient. The remainder will be here 3y here. So remainder will be less than 3. So y we have taken 3 here. So here 3 they are given. For that we are taking the numbers 3. So let's going to take the remainder will be less than or equal to 0 and less than divisor. Less than divisor. So divisor is here, what is that? 3. So 0 less than or less than, less than 3. That means reminders will be 0, 1, 2. Only that cases. So these two cases we will get. So for that, let's going to take 3m. The numbers are 3m, 3m plus 1. For these two terms, we are going to take squares. So let's consider the squares of these numbers. Positive integers, right? So a is equals to 3m and a is equals to 3m plus 1. Let's take square, that is 3m whole square. That will be equal to 9m square. You can write 3 into 3m square. This is in the format of 3p. So since p will be equal to 3m square. So any square, here we can write it in the format of 3p. Let's consider again a square will be equal to 3m plus 1 whole square. That is a plus b whole square. What is the formula of a plus b whole square? The a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here they are given that 3m plus 1 whole square. So let's going to consider 3m square, 3m whole square plus 2 into 3m into 1 plus 1 square. That is 9. What you can take here, 3m square is in the format of, let's write 3 into 9m square plus 2 3m. So let's write as it is plus 1. You can take common of here 3. So 3 into 3m square plus 2 into 3m plus 1. So let's take common of 3, 3m square plus 2m plus 2m plus 1. So what number you can write it here? So for this you can write in the format of 3p plus 1. 3p plus 1 since p will be equal to 3m square plus 2m. So based on these conditions we are writing. So this is divisible by 3 and this is also divisible by 3. So both are divisible by 3. So this is the case here. So 3m square plus m, since this is the case. For this, what you can write? So a square you are written in the format of 3p where p will be equal to, since p will be equal to 3m square. Then a square will be equal to 3p plus 1 since p will be equal to 3m square plus 2m. So square of any positive integer. Therefore, what you can write? Square of any positive integer can be written in the format of any positive is in the form of 3p plus 1, then and so on, 3p plus 2, like this we will get, etc. So like this we will get. This is the way to show the things. So first what we have to do, first we have to consider the any number with the starting with the 3. So it should be divisible by 3. For that only we are taking. It may be 4 or 5. Then we can move on, the divisor will be 4 or 5 like that. So we have taken the squares of left side and both sides. We are divided with 3. Again take common of 3p. Since p value is very